No, that's why his name's Scaredy Cat.
I think they want to live on the farm.
Hey guys, come here. Hi, Scouty. Well, hello, turtle. The turtle likes me. Hi, baby. Hello. Here we go. See if he follows me. He likes Tessa. You like Tessa?
He's calm.
Oh, you got him again.
This is the calm one.
Yeah. Oh, now he's calming down.
No, the other one is calm.
Yes, it is too.
Yeah, I know.
Sounds so cute.
There's moms out here.
Here comes the...
Hey, show off. Look, wait, here comes Mama. There's Mama. Jordan. Jordan.
I'm rampaging over here.
Just walk up to him slow and
Gentle and slow, okay? Say, where's my mommy? Where's my mama?
Okay, everybody.
Jordan. Jordan. Something's touching me. Oh my gosh. It's a turtle.
Slow.
Jordan.
She's worse than the dog.
The turtle came up from behind me and went through my legs. Say hello. Whoop. There's Speedy.
How old is yours?
8 months.
Okay.